What's up? This is Rebelbeatbox in my second tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about metronome. If you want to learn my music specifically, you gotta have it. It's a huge, crucial element, and it stands out to everyone. After I perform, most people come up to me and say, "How do you make that click sound in the back the entire time?" It's the only thing that I could hear. If you're looking for something to make you pop, give you a little bit of an edge, this is, like I said, very crucial for that, as well as to learn my music. So it's my metronome is kind of like saying Nick, but without the I. And there's multiple ways you can do it, and also I use a k sound. So the and k when I'm using my metronomes, just those two sounds, I kind of bounce back. Those are my ones that are my constants. That's like if I was to speak a sentence and I was to say and or. So how you do the sound is you're going to be putting your tongue up against the roof of your mouth, kind of against your teeth over here. You're going to be pulling in air basically from this side of your mouth back here, and you can feel it as you try, and just say Nick, but like once again without the I. Once you kind of get that down, you can kind of let your face drop a little bit, and once you get used to the airway, and you can kind of just relax, and it'll start coming more natural, and you can practice with your speeds with it. And like I said, I also use the k sound. It's basically easy as that. So if you have multiple metronomes, it also helps for when you do get more complex and your tongue can't necessarily move in correlation with what your lips are doing. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple different examples how I use these with those sounds that I've taught you already. So I'm pressing against the front of my mouth. I'm pulling in air from the side of my mouth, and I'm forcing air out of my throat at the same time into my nasal passage. So you're using every orifice and angle of your mouth. Now, not only is this complex even with just these three sounds, you're going to be getting up to like 20 and different layers all at the same time. But just these three actually can help with a little bit of a lisp if you have one. Helps you make you say your T's as you practice it over and over and over again and faster. It also helps slim up your neck and your face and your jawline. So thank you for watching once again. It's Rebel Beats. Go ahead and smash that like button, the subscribe button, and let's teach you how to beatbox. Let's go.